Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to another video. This is Said Muzamil, health, fitness and nutrition coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get an instant update on my latest videos. So today I'm gonna share with you some top sources of vegetarian protein. But as we all know, there are some drawbacks when it comes to a vegetarian protein sources. So what are the drawbacks? Drawbacks like incomplete protein and lean protein. So first, let us understand about these two major drawbacks. And after that, I will share you some top protein sources in vegetarian. Apart from dairy products like milk, curd and paneer, you won't find any complete protein in vegetarian. From the beginning of this video, I'm just keep on repeating a complete protein, complete protein. What does it means? What is this complete protein? Let me explain you. As everyone know and everyone might have studied in their school times that protein are the building blocks of muscles. Similarly, amino acids are the building blocks of protein. A combination of 21 amino acids makes a complete protein, in which there are essential and non-essential amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids and 12 non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids means which our body cannot produce by its own. So it is essential to supply these amino acids externally through food. But non-essential amino acids are which our body can produce by its own. So in vegetarian protein, the major problem is there are some essential amino acids missing in their food. So it cannot be a complete source of protein. Well, nothing to worry. I have a solution also for this to make it a complete protein, which I will share you in the end of this video. Now we shall talk about our second drawback, which is about lean protein. What is lean protein? Lean protein means a food in which quantity of protein is high and negligible amount of carbs and fat. Like in non-vegetarian, we have egg whites, fish, chicken breast, lean meat. But when it comes to a vegetarian protein, you won't able to find any lean protein food. So these were some two major drawbacks of vegetarian protein. So now I will share some top food protein sources in vegetarian. First is dairy products, in which you will get milk, curd, paneer and cheese. Apart from dairy products, you have grains, beans, lentils, legumes, pulses, soy milk, soy chunks, tofu and nuts like almonds, peanuts, walnuts and cashews. But none of them are complete protein. In every food, you will find some 2 or 3 essential amino acids missing. But to make them a complete protein, you need to combine some 2 or 3 protein foods like grains and lentils or mixed nuts, stuff like that. You need to combine 2 or 3 protein sources to make a complete protein. But the major problem is if you're on a fat loss or if you're on a high protein diet, then it is quite difficult to manage the protein and carb ratio. So in this case, I will suggest to add some high quality protein supplement. If you have a fear about the protein supplements, I have already made a detailed video on it. The link will be in the description box and as well as in the iCard. You can surely go and check that. So I hope you find this video useful. If yes, then don't forget to like my video, share with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel or if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you never miss these kind of informative videos. See you on my next video guys. Eat clean, be active, live healthy.